I'm reusing some old potting media from some plants that died. I've heat treated it, and I'm looking at the texture, and this is before I discovered pit moss, and I was also using coarse wood chips back then. So now I'm using finer wood chips, and I'm adding pit moss. So my potting media has evolved a lot. I'm trying to make this old potting media work better. And so I'm going to add pit moss, and we're just going to compare the texture before and after. So I've dumped some grower grade pit moss in, and I've gotten it a little bit wet. Now I'm going to mix it up. So this potting media has been transformed. It's not just a chunky mess anymore. It's a little more spongy, more able to hold water. I can squeeze it together and it can form a clump, but it easily breaks up. So it has the characteristics that I'm looking for now. It's going to be a lot more absorbent as well. I decided to add some more wool pellets too, because they're going to release nitrogen slowly over time. They're going to hold moisture, and they're also going to make the whole mix even more fluffy yet. Look at that. It's beautiful.